Welcome to Accidentally Country. So a lot of people make a mess in their elevated vegetable gardens with strawberry soil. I'm going to show you the perfect combination to make this soil that your strawberries are dying for. Follow along. This is Accidentally Country. The four ingredients for a strawberry garden are topsoil, compost, manure, and peat moss. All four of those are critically important, and without one of them, the whole garden can be compromised. So the first thing we're going to talk about is the topsoil. Generally put in about 30% of the topsoil. The good news is you don't have to measure, you can eyeball it and just get close. The topsoil is important because it provides structure. Without the topsoil, the roots won't anchor well, the soil will be too loose, and you'll find the strawberries potentially leaning and the water will drain too quickly and it will kill them. Compost is critical for your strawberry garden. You can use your backyard compost, vermicompost. I use mushroom compost. It provides the nutrients for your strawberries. Without that, your strawberry plants can be weak and they will not be nearly as sweet as you want them to be. You generally want about 25% of the compost. Again, don't have to measure it, you can eyeball it. The third ingredient is manure, and you're going to want probably just about 20% of the manure. That's going to be very important for your strawberry garden because it's going to provide long-term nutrients for them. Think of it as fertilizer for your strawberry bed. You don't want to overkill it and put like 50% or more in there because so much manure can actually burn your strawberry plants, and that's certainly obviously something you don't want to do for an awesome strawberry garden like we're getting ready to make. The last ingredient is peat moss, and you're going to want about 25% peat moss in your elevated vegetable garden. This is a very important ingredient because it makes your soil fluffy. It allows your roots time to grow and stretch down. Without that, your soil can be too heavy and it could make your plants die, produce a lot less fruit, and not be the garden that you'll be proud of and want to have a great harvest with. If you don't like the idea of not measuring, you can use buckets. You can use 3 buckets worth of topsoil, you can use 2 buckets worth of manure, 2.5 buckets worth of compost, and 2.5 buckets worth of peat moss, and that gets you a pretty good concentration of what you need for your garden. In summary, topsoil equals structure, compost equals nutrients, manure equals fertilizer, and peat moss equals airflow. All 4 of these things you need to not have an imbalance in your strawberry garden. What I expect is for years to come to have amazing strawberries, and I can't wait to show you. Thanks for following Accidentally Country, and we'll see you next time.